Hi everyone, welcome to Kayla and Aria. This is my Temu haul. So let's start unboxing. So while I'm opening this, I actually applied as a Temu influencer and my account was approved for $60 worth of items that I could get. So let's see. These are mostly household items, cleaning items, bathroom stuff, like anything essential, nothing fancy, just something I need for the household. It's a fruit knife cutting board set. So that's what it is. I'm not gonna open it right now, but you can actually see what's inside. This is the first one. I'm gonna be putting the price on the caption. I'll be adding it when I edit the video because I don't really remember the prices. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This is a soap pump and sponge caddy. Oh, I need it for the kitchen, so might as well get it. Maybe I should open this one. I'm curious on how it looks like. So here it goes. It actually came with a sponge. One is a car organizer. You put it at the back of the car, the seat. That's pretty much it. It's perfect when you have a lot of stuff, especially when you have kids at the back of the Especially if you have kids, you have a lot of stuff. They can put their drinks over there. This is the bathroom mat. Here's a bathroom mat. It's small, but it looks nice. I actually got two of these, but the other one is bigger. Here's the other bathroom mat. It's, I think, almost double the size of the other one. It's supposed to be memory foam. Bathroom mat. Let's see how it holds up after a few days in the bedroom. So that one, when I got this, when I was choosing for stuff, I thought this was one of the best sellers because it's actually cheap. These are just cleaning cloths. It's a set of cleaning cloth. Polyester fiber. Well, it's gonna be useful when I'm cleaning, obviously. So let's see how many are in this pack. I think this is a pack of 3 or 5. Yes, there's 5 pieces of cleaning cloth. I'm gonna remember to put the prices of these items when I edit the video. I'm gonna let you know. This is just another storage. Let's see. It's a storage box. Okay, this is the storage box. This is a lunch box. Okay, let's open it. Family. I'm not sure. Is that fast? So there's another container inside. So you get 2 containers. This is a quilt bag. Quilt and clothes storage bag. Let me open it because I'm not sure how it exactly looks like. It's actually super cute. here. Looks like this. Has zippers around on top. I like it. So some clothes storage that you can put under the bed or something. Got this. I'm not sure what it is. Alright, let's see what it is. Black, 1 pack, 24 cells. Pretty sure it's another storage item. I like to buy storage item. I like to buy storage items. Look at that. It's an organizer. I think this is like a underwear organizer or something. Or socks organizer. It's actually neat. And it folds when you're not using it. You can. It's actually great. I like this. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This is just a pizza cutter. Yeah, because I realize our pizza cutter is old, so I need to get a new one. I don't need to open this right now. Like, you could actually see what's inside. And this one is a hamper. Yeah, it's a hamper. Should I open it? Well, I guess I'll open it. Just give me a second. I'll be back and open it for you. So this is the hamper. You can collapse it. Oh, it's not bad. I think it looks nice. And it's a decent sized hamper. And this is a rug. It's a plush rug. Let's open it. This is I forgot the size of this one, but it feels soft. I like it. I like it. Alright, let's see how big this rug is. But it's pretty. Oh, let's see. So this is just a half of it. The color is really nice. It's like a tie-dye color. It's not solid white or solid pink. So these are all the items that I got, and all of these are, I remember to be worth $60. You can actually sign up as a Temu influencer, and if you, it depends on how many followers you have on different platforms, they will give you an amount of money depending on how many followers you have, and then you can use it to choose items. They will ship it to you for free. The shipment was pretty fast, I would say. So check out Temu online. I am satisfied with their products. I think I could actually get this at these products would be more expensive on other websites, and it's pretty much the same. The quality is pretty much the same, I would say. I'm happy with this purchase, and I got a lot of stuff. So after I edit this video, I'm gonna be putting the prices of each item. That's it for right now. I hope you enjoyed this content, and if you have any questions about Temu, you can leave it in the comment below. Again, thank you for always supporting my channel. I really appreciate it, and have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.